Presses can need recalibrating from time to time, especially with age. Out of the factory, all of our presses come pre-calibrated, but should you need to change them, hold the OK button. This displays P3, which is your temperature setting in Celsius or Fahrenheit. This can be altered to Fahrenheit, but we always recommend keeping it on Celsius. Press OK again, and you'll get the P4 calibration setting. Now this is currently set to 0, but this press is running a little cooler than it should be. If it's cooler, we need to lower this number. This is displayed in degrees. Our press is currently 6 degrees out, so we're going to lower it by 6 degrees. Should the press be too hot, and it's hotter by say 6 degrees, you can up it to +6. With that done, you can press enter to save the calibration. I'll pop this back down to -6. Press enter, and the press is recalibrated.